Welcome back to Micki Quiz. Real food or candy? You have 10 seconds to pick. Choose wisely. Then see the reveal. Join the challenge. Comment your choices below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Let's go! It's juicy, refreshing watermelon versus a chewy gummy version. Which one will you pick? Soft and natural or a super sweet taffy twist? Which banana wins this round? Crispy, golden fries or a sugary look-alike? Choose wisely. Movie night snack time. But one of these is a candy trick. Which do you choose? Sweet and fresh or a hard lollipop version? Which strawberries would you rather have? Fresh, cold orange juice or fizzy candy soda? Pick your sip. A rich, chewy brownie or a weird, brownie-flavored gum? Which one is better? Creamy, healthy yogurt or a candy-coated version? Choose your snack. Peanut butter time. Will you go for the real thing or a chocolatey candy version? Pizza lovers, beware! Would you rather eat a cheesy slice or its candy imitation? Fluffy pancakes or cotton candy pretending to be pancakes? Which one's for you? A handful of juicy grapes or a sugary grape lollipop? Pick your favorite. Drizzle it or chew it? Will you take fresh honey or honey candy drops? Warm cinnamon rolls straight from the oven or a tiny candy version? Pucker up! A real sour lemon or a sour gummy version? Which will you take? Coconut chunks versus coconut marshmallows? Which version is the best? Feeling bold? Fiery chili peppers or a cinnamon candy twist? Mango madness! Will you pick the juicy fruit or its gummy twin? Sip or chew? A fizzy soda or a cola-flavored gummy? Sweet and tropical. Would you go for fresh pineapple or a hard candy version? Toasted and gooey or chewy and artificial? Which marshmallow treat wins? Crunchy caramel popcorn or its candy replica? Choose wisely. milkshake or candy-coated milkshake bites? A handful of fresh blueberries or chewy, sugary ones? Which one's better? Crisp apple slices or soft, gummy rings? Which one's your snack? Smooth, rich, dark chocolate or a lollipop pretending to be chocolate? Crispy bacon or a weird bacon-flavored candy? Choose carefully. A juicy peach or a peach gummy? Which one's more tempting? Corn on the cob or its candy version? Which one do you pick? Icy fresh mint leaves or a hard candy version? Which one's more refreshing? Salty pretzels or their chocolate-covered candy version? Creamy avocado or an avocado-flavored gummy? What's your pick? Roasted almonds versus almond chocolate bites? Which one wins? Kiwi lovers? Will you take the fresh fruit or the candy roll-up? Tiny, juicy pomegranate seeds or a sugary, hard candy version? Warm, syrupy waffles or candy pretending to be waffles? Peanut butter and jelly. Will you pick the classic or the gummy copy? Cheesecake fans, choose the creamy real deal or a candy twist. Tangy yogurt bites versus yogurt-covered raisins. Which one tastes better? Warm, hot chocolate with marshmallows or its candy copy? Fresh green grapes or their gummy version? Which one's for you? Garlic bread showdown. Will you go for the buttery original or a candy version? A warm, flaky croissant or its hard candy twin? Which one's your pick? Toasty, roasted chestnuts or their candy substitute? Choose wisely. Buffalo wings showdown. A real spicy bite or a strange lollipop version? Sour green apple or a Jolly Rancher version? Which one's for you? Papaya lovers! Will you take the fresh fruit or a chewy candy version? Sweet lychee or lychee-flavored jelly candy? Which one's tastier? Matcha time! Will you sip a fresh iced latte or take the candy version? And finally, classic buttery popcorn or its candy-coated chocolate version? Wow, that was a tough challenge. Did you stick with real food or did candy win your heart? Let me know your final score in the comments. And hey, if you had fun, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new quiz. See you in the next challenge. Stay sweet and stay curious.